Hi, it's Justin from Perth Pro, and we've got a Ford Transit in that we've just done a heap of fit out on, so let's check out the inside of it. Customer brought the van to ourselves to complete the first installation of all the wiring, so we did all the pre-lay before the cabinetry went in. Customer then took the car away, completed all the fit out of the interior with all the cabinetry, then brought the vehicle back to ourselves where we could complete the final fit off of all the electrical. We've done a huge fit out in the back here, so let's jump inside and check it out. Alright, so starting off, we've got the 3000 watt multi-plus inverter. We've got our RCDs down there for the ingoing and outgoing of the 240 volt power. We've got the link system, so this is the shunt, and then attached to that is the distributor. So the shunt is just similar to a normal shunt, but the difference between the two shunts is that this one can handle 1000 amps, where the other shunt can only handle 500 to 300. And this one doesn't have Bluetooth capability, so you will need a GX device of some sort if you want to be able to monitor your shunt. You can daisy chain other of the Lynx products to it just for easy installs. And then you can see down below we've got the MPPTs for the solar that's been installed on top of the roof. Coming down, we've got the BCDC 1250, and then we've also got our servo just here, which obviously connects all the Victron products, so you can view it on the Touch 50, which we'll show you further back here. Also got the Egon DC hub, just makes everything easily for installation. All your fuses are there. Instead of having a separate small fuse box, it's handy to have this big Egon DC hub that just makes everything easily accessible. And then if you got any blown fuses, you know straight away because it just illuminates with the LEDs on there, so it's a really good kit. As you can see, there's multiple vents installed in the electrical cabinet to allow plenty of ventilation for all the electrical components. Nothing on the right hand side for us to install, apart from just the GPOs we've just done down here and our dual USBs. Apart from on the passenger side, that's all that we've done. It was all mainly in the driver's side. Customer already had pre-installed two 300 amp hour batteries. We recommended to the customer to have these installed in a battery compartment to comply with the new regulations. This may be undertaken at a later date by the customer. These two white posts on either side of the van are for the bed lift. They lower and raise with the switches just located next to the Touch 50. The customer will install the mattress at a later date. Coming down further here, we've got another GPO just up here. We've got another GPO just up here for a microwave recess. And then down in here, we've got the Duetto 10 litre water heater. This allows the customer to have a hot shower anywhere in Australia. And then same again, another GPO, just so that that can be powered off 240 volt power if the customer chooses to do so. Another GPO located just up here. And then we've got all our switches and our Touch 50 just up here. So we've wired all this in. He's got an electric awning, so we've wired the switch in for that. All your switches here for your lights, water heater and so on. And then yeah, as I said before, just the Touch 50 up there. It's in a nice, easily accessible location. The customer chose to do all the plumbing themselves. So just under here, they've installed the Egon water hub, and then also the Egon shower head just up here. So that's just a nice little bit of kit that just makes it easy to be plumbed in, and then makes it quite easy to wire in the Duetto to it, so you can get the hot water dialed in just correctly for yourself. It also has a water filter just in line there, so that way it's easily accessible, and then you can quite easily change it out once it gets clogged up. Most people don't actually run filters, but we always recommend it, and that's something we also sell in our shop at Perth Pro. If you also got a fan that you're after a similar setup like this, head over to perthpro.com.au or contact us at info@perthpro.com.au, and we'd love to help you out. Catch you on the next one.